Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable a metered internet connection on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the network and internet tile. And then on the left side, you want to select status underneath network internet, and then select whatever your internet connection type on the right over here is, and just select properties. If you scroll down under metered connection, if you have a limited data plan and want more control over data usage, make this connection a metered network. Some apps might work differently to reduce data usage when you're connected to this network. Go ahead and toggle that on, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.